their creative pals. Today, get ready to bring some sweetness to the canvas as we dive into drawing and painting delicious ice creams. Are you excited to join me? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and colors for a fun-filled session. Let's begin our creamy adventure by sketching 4 delightful ice creams. First up, let's carefully draw a twisted popsicle. Pay attention to those curves. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp.
Wow!
Next, draw an ice cream shaped like a juicy strawberry. Capture its essence. Bolden the outline.
Cool!
Now, let's create an ice cream slice shaped like a watermelon with a handle. Make it look fruity and refreshing. Bolden the outline for a vibrant touch.
Awesome!
Finally, draw a rainbow popsicle with care. Let those colors shine through. Bolden the outline to make it pop. It's time to add a burst of color to our delectable ice creams. Here are our colors to bring these ice creams to life. For the first ice cream, orange color. Maroon color. Pink color. Blue color. Indigo color. Brown color. Orange color. Let's add some charming black dots for decoration on it. For the second one, bottle green color. Light green color. Orange color. Red color. brown color, orange color. For the third ice cream, bottle green color, light green color, red color, brown color, orange color. For the final one, purple color, blue color, green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, orange color. Voila! Your delightful ice cream paintings are now a colorful treat. If you had a blast creating these yummy artworks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell for more artistic adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.